Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help resolve if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 file sharing is not working properly on your laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu. And then once you've opened that up, you just want to go ahead and select the search option, search for control panel. Best results, come back with control panel here. Go ahead and select that. And then once you've done that, select the view by up in the top right and select category view. And then select network and internet. Select where it says network and sharing center. And then on the left panel, select where it says change advanced sharing settings. And you want to turn network discovery to the on position, as well as for file and printer sharing too. You can do that for public networks as well as private networks here too, so make sure they're both toggled on. And then once you've done that, you should be pretty much good to go at this point. And if you click the drop down underneath all networks, you can also enable or disable password protected sharing, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.